Hi guys, my name is Kristen and today we're going to unbox the MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020. Okay guys, so let's unbox this right on top of this table, and this is actually my very first time owning a MacBook or an Apple laptop. This is for my ASMR peeps. So just take out the plastic. So it's got the name MacBook Pro at the front, and then the photo of the laptop, and then the Apple logo on the side. Let's open it. There we go. So right when you open it, this is how it looks with a little tab right here. So I'm guessing you just lift the laptop off of the box and it'll pop right up. Ta-da! Before we open this up, let's see what's in here. So we have the cord, and I'm pretty sure this is like a manual. Inside we have 2 Apple stickers. We have the manual and then another paper, and that's it. And then next we have the adapter. So just make sure you have all those in there. Again, for my ASMR people. Or isn't it just really satisfying to take out the plastic? Like, look. Oh, angel singing. And then slide it right out. And there is your MacBook Pro 13-inch. Okay, so we're gonna open it. On top of the screen, it's got this covering. We're going to take out the film. Ooh, and it's on. Yay. Let's set this up. It's just first going to ask you for the language you want.
English as the main language.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, I'm going to use English. And then you're just going to choose the country. And then you'll choose your Wi-Fi connection. It's gonna ask about data and privacy. Just continue. And then if you're transferring information from your previous laptop, you can do that too, but I'm not doing that, so just continue. And then I'll ask you to enter your Apple ID. It's going to ask for the 6-digit code. Terms and agreements, just agree if you do. And then enter your password for the account that you're gonna make. And once that's done, it'll show an iCloud picture on the screen. And then it'll ask you about iCloud keychain if you want to do it now or later. You can set it up later, but I'll probably use it. And then find my location, continue, set up, continue. Okay, we're gonna share that in case it crashes. Screen time, okay. And Siri, alright.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like?
And then iCloud, Vault for encryption, and then Touch ID. Okay, let's continue. Set up Touch ID.
Place your finger on.
And then it'll ask you about Apple Pay, and just continue. And then just choose your look. I'm gonna go with light, true tone. Okay, continue. Setting up your Mac, awesome. And when it's done, ta-da! This thing should pop up on your screen. The little mountain, and you're good to go. You're ready. here's the specs of the MacBook Pro 2020 13-inch that I bought. For someone who's never owned a MacBook Pro laptop, first impression is it's very sleek and very smooth. And opening it is very, very easy as well. And it's just a very nice typing experience too, like very soft, soft to the touch. I have yet to discover how to use those, but yeah, it's really, really nice, and I'm glad to own a MacBook. So that is it for today's unboxing, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.